I'm just amazed at this log here. Beautiful white pine, how it looks on the outside, but on the inside, on this end, it's full of ants and rotten. On the other end, the grubs are eating it up at the base. It could get some lumber out of it if it all looks like that, but the other end, I'm not going to get any. I might be able to cut it down into a smaller piece and find something good in there, but that 10-foot piece, even though it looks beautiful on the outside. So you got this log, this tree that's standing there that's with this section on it, and that section down there on it, almost 20 foot high, was hollow, or was being eaten out by ants and stuff. How they would have got into it, had to be through the bark, the stump. Looks good, solid. They got in it somehow, and the exterior of it looks beautiful. This just blows my mind. And then you wonder how many more are like that, because this next one I'm gonna work on down here is the same way. It looks good from the outside, so it doesn't make sense. But anyway, that's what we're dealing with, and we got some lumber out of it.